Welcome to my channel. Today we will dive into the legal battles involving Sackler family, known as the ownership of Purdue Pharma, the role of the operative classes. We will explore the legal issue, court ruling, the broader implications for the corporate accountability. Join us. We will analyze the legal high-profile case and impact on the public health and the legal system. The Sackler family, through their company, Purdue Pharma, played a significant role in operating academic by aggressively making oxycodone are highly addictive painkillers. The company faced thousands of lawsuits from the states, cities, and individuals affected by the opioid crisis. The opioid settlement, Purdue Pharma agreed to $9 billion settlement to resolve the lawsuits. However, the settlement includes clauses which protect the Sackler family from future litigation. This led from a legal challenge with a crucial link and role of accountability. Supreme Court ruling in the landmark decision, U.S. Supreme Court stepped down the immunity clauses, allowing Sackler family to held liable for their contribution to operative academic. This decision significant implications for the corporate accountability and the use of brand privacy law to shield individuals from litigations. The Supreme Court ruling marked a shift towards greater accountability for corporate executives and their families in cases of public health crisis. This sets a precedent for holding various individuals responsible even they are part of large corporate entity. The legal battles involving the Sackler family highlighted the complexity of corporate accountability and the challenges addressing a public health crisis through a legal system. The Supreme Court decision to strip the family of immunity is a significant step towards ensuring those responsible for the optic academic are held accountable. Stay tuned on my channel for more legal analysis and cases. Kindly like and subscribe and share. Thank you.